Hey, welcome back to the Frozen Dojo. I'm Red Penguin Ninja, and in this video we're going to be doing the Who Are They and Adept for the Clown. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Kenneth Chase was born in 1932 by a difficult labor which his mother wouldn't survive. This event drove a rift between him and his father that never closed. As the boy grew, so did his father's resentment and his drinking habit. By the time Kenneth was at school, they lived mostly separate lives. Academically, he was unremarkable, coasting by on his significant athletic prowess. He grew tall and strong, excelling at track events, but shunned by any attempts to coax him into team sports. On his walk home from school, he would often find feathers on the ground, and he soon began a collection, keeping them in a cigar box under his bed. With his father either at work or in an alcohol-induced stupor, Kenneth had hours to spend alone, transfixed by the regularity of the feather's barbs, and feeling the softness as he ran them over his lips. Watching the birds that came to the feeder in his garden, he imagined how soft they must be, and resolved to catch one. He ingratiated himself with the local dentist, soon procuring some anesthetic. Using this, he rigged up a trap on the feeder that he hoped would knock out a bird long enough that he could touch it. After a few failed attempts, he managed to trap a robin. As it lay in his hand, he felt a sudden rush of a life at his mercy. He had planned to release it once he recovered from the anesthetic. Instead, as its eyes flickered back into consciousness and it began to struggle, his grip remained firm. His fingers slowly tightened around its throat, squeezing until its chest feathers were finally still. He disposed of the body, keeping just a feather, with which he started a new collection, discarding the others as fake. By the late 1940s, Kenneth had left school and started working as a busboy at a local diner. He had also escalated to larger prey like squirrels, raccoons, and dogs, becoming skilled at customizing the anesthetic dosage for each. In the early 1954, a young man went missing and the town was turned upside down in the search. A few months later, Kenneth's father, while doing some work in the crawlspace under the house, found a cigar box. He broke it open and saw, to his horror, that it contained feathers, animal paws, and a man's finger. Returning from work, Kenneth saw his father leaving the crawlspace with a cigar box in his hands. He turned on his heel and never went home again. After a few weeks of living rough, he encountered a traveling circus, and with his prodigious strength, was hired to work the ropes. He assumed a new name, Jeffrey Hawk. Suddenly surrounded by a close-knit community, Jeffrey had to learn to socialize. He donned a new personality, like a disguise, quickly becoming known as charming and helpful, and was welcomed into his new family. Over the next decade, he stayed with the circus, traveling the length and breadth of the USA. But, with the itinerant life providing few repercussions, he fell into bad habits. Drink, junk food, drugs, he indulged in all of them to excess. For a time, these vices were enough, but then his old urges returned, and his nomadic existence became a cover for him to resume killing. He stole clothes and makeup from performers, fashioning a disguise that would let him get close to his victims before he anesthetized them, bringing them back to his caravan, where they would awake to find themselves bound and at his mercy. He would finally get to have his fun, mentally and physically torturing them, their screams fueling him before he lost in the night. Once their strength was at its lowest, he would carefully examine their fingers, searching for the prettiest, running them over his tongue to find the tastiest. Once he found the best, he would cut it from their hand and proudly add it to his collection, disposing of the rest of the body as pointless waste. Men, women, young, old. He didn't care. The essence of a good collection is in the variety, in the memories, and the stories they evoke. He removed the costume less and less, shedding his old personality with it, fully embracing the clown, his true self. With time, he became complacent and sloppy. A victim managed to work free of her bindings while he was sleeping off the drink. She escaped, screaming for help, and he awoke to find the rest of the circus bearing down on him. He whipped his horse, and the caravan disappeared into the night. Since then, he has roamed the country, a parasite who could always be found at a carnival or circus, but who would never be seen on any playbill. He lured those brave or foolish enough to come near, trapped them, and moved on before they could be found missing. Somewhere along the way, he left the ordinary roads of the USA behind him, traveling through a veil of mist and entering a new realm. It was a place of transience and impermanence, perfectly suiting the life he had chosen to lead. Feeling more at home than he had in his entire life, he set up camp and awaited his first visitor. His power, he has 2 bottles he can throw, one that makes survivors intoxicated and one that makes you faster when you run through it. His perks: Bamboozle. Your vault speed is 15% faster. Performing a vault action calls upon the entity to block that vault location for 16 seconds. Only one may be blocked at a time. Choleraphobia. Survivors within your terror radius have a 50% penalty to healing progression speed, and healing skill checks move 50% faster. Pop goes the weasel. After hooking a survivor, the next generator you damage instantly loses 20% of its current progress. Normal generator regression applies after the damage generator action. So I've got them all set up here, and we're gonna give them a try. Wish me luck. The game. Oh, okay. Let's go. He almost corner attacked me. That would have been dope. Oh, okay. Alright, David, chill out, bro. Whoa! I think I just logged out. Alright, we're gonna try this again. My game crashed, so sucks. Well, let's go. Ooh, I would have preferred the game, but it's alright. Let's go. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Nice, let's go. Good turnaround. Nice, no dead hard. I like to just like go for it in the beginning, you know? Don't worry about dead hard, just go. Oh, I have to continue holding it down? Oh my god. stuck. Well, I don't want to go in there. I thought I heard somebody. I saw somebody go over here. Man, maybe I should have chased him. What the fuck? There they are. No way, she just spun me while gassed. Oh my gosh, I need to focus. She got it off. I'm not breaking that. Oh, that was so good! Oh no! That was so bad though. Alright, so Lori has it. Lori is dead hard. I can't remember that. It's got like 0 progress. I don't want to waste a pop on that, but... Well, let's see if someone's here. Unless that's still Lori's scratch marks. No way, right? It was... Wait, no, she just... Is that Deliverance? Wait, I'm confused. Was that the... what? Alright, I guess I'm going for a chase here. What's up, homie? Oh, you're going in basement, man. You got greedy for your power here. Wait, where's basement at? There it is. You got greedy for your little power there. And I got greedy for the hook. Ooh. Dangerous. I'll pop it. Why not? I guess none of them are doing Jennies? Like, damn, all the Jennies are on the other side of the map. Hold on. What the fuck? It's the only Gen over here? What the hell? They have to be about to pop so many of them. Wow. I feel like I'm hearing somebody, but I'm not. Why are all the gens over here? This is crazy. Okay, I guess I'm going down here. What is going on? Where is everybody? How crazy would that have been? Right? Bro, nobody's on a generator. How did that miss him? Oh. That was the craziest dead heart I've ever seen. Walter White also has that hard. I went this way? Alright. Trying to follow these scratch marks. Oh, they were here. These Vittorios are like worthless, man. I don't know what they're doing. I don't think they're really playing. Nice, I got the hit. Okay, at least they went for saves. Oh shit, she went this way. That was crazy, Vittorio. What is going on? So he is just hiding. Can I find him? I can. He's right there. Wait. No, I don't need the pressure. I'd give up too if these were my teammates, to be honest. Excuse me. I forgot I had BAM. Oh, this is the same one. Wait, no, where'd the other one go? Wait, what? This is the one that just came off the hook, right? Yo, I cannot let this other Vittorio go. I don't understand how he got away. Damn, I don't even want to hook this guy for real. Yeah, he healed up. He's gonna just... Yo, he is the worst teammate. Is there an offering? No offering. Alright, I just need to find it. Please say I find it over him, man. That guy's worthless. Nice, dude. Alright, doors are there. As long as he doesn't have a key, I got this. Give me a little speed boost. Scratch marks, perfect. There's nothing more than me. I want to kill you so badly, man. You're such a bad teammate. Well, you know, let me see the points at the end. I want to see the points, because Maybe you were doing the... Oh, I thought, man. I thought I could go across it. I can't believe I lost him. Nah, homie. Alright, that's number 2. I want to see number 2. Is that his first hook? Yeah, dude. Yeah. You know what? You deserve this. Excuse me. I got 2 achievements there. Well, alright, nice. I got Adept Clown. He was oh my gosh. That's because he got... Yeah. Okay. I wonder... Maybe he was doing gens. But, I don't know. There's something about him being on not being hooked. I feel bad for this guy. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. And have a good day.